Welcome to our maritime journey, where we uncover the fascinating world of lobster processing and marketing. Today, we'll take you behind the scenes of a lobster factory to witness the intricate process that transforms these marine gems into delicacies. So, let's dive in and see how lobsters make their way from the ocean to your plate in this mesmerizing episode. The first step in commercial lobster fishing is setting traps. These traps, also known as lobster pots, are strategically placed on the ocean floor to catch the lobsters. Each trap is designed to attract the lobsters with bait, usually fish heads or other seafood. Once the traps are set, the fishermen will wait for a specific period before retrieving them. This waiting period allows the lobsters to be drawn to the bait and enter the traps. What a trap! While watching it, lobsters are collected by workers from traps. Not all lobsters are ready for market. To ensure the sustainability of the fishery, strict size regulations are followed. The crew measures each lobster to make sure they meet the legal size limit. Any undersized or female lobsters with eggs are tagged and safely returned to the ocean. Once the legal lobsters are picked, they are placed in special tanks on the ship. Here, they stay alive and fresh until they reach the shore. Finally, back in port, the catch is carefully unloaded. Lobsters are picked again before being transported to the local seafood markets or processing plants. Interested in learning more secrets just like this? Subscribe to our channel. These lobsters are taken to the boiling chamber of the factory, where the lobsters are boiled. The boiling chamber in the factory ensures that each lobster is cooked thoroughly, resulting in their demise. This process not only removes the salinity from their bodies, but also eliminates any potential germs, ensuring a safe and hygienic final product. After cooking, the lobsters are placed in cold water. Then, skilled workers remove the shells to reveal that juicy flesh inside. Watch how these workers use their skilled hands to separate each part of the lobster. He first declawed the lobster and then removed the shell to reveal the succulent meat within. After separating each part, skilled workers remove the meat from the base of the claws. From this, it is proved that the point amount of meat is not wasted. The claws are cracked open by skilled workers to extract the inner core. Lobster tails come in various sizes, and sorting them ensures that customers receive consistent products. The factory grades the tails based on length and weight to meet market demands. This grading process involves measuring the length of the lobster tails and weighing them accurately. By categorizing the tails into different sizes, the factory can cater to the specific preferences of its customers and maintain a high level of quality control in its products. Now we will see how these parts of the lobster are packaged in the factory. A worker neatly fills lobster tail parts into a paper container. To maintain maximum freshness, the lobster tails are flash frozen. This rapid freezing process locks in the natural flavors, ensuring a premium product with a long shelf life. After that, the upper part of these paper containers is well attached by the workers. Frozen lobster tails are widely available year-round, making them convenient for consumers. They are typically sold in various sizes, ranging from small to jumbo. Frozen lobster tails are individually wrapped to prevent freezer burn and to preserve taste and texture. Individually wrapped frozen lobster tails can vary in weight, usually ranging from 85 to 283 grams per tail. Some larger frozen lobster tails, known as jumbo tails, can weigh up to 454 grams each. On the other hand, lobster claws are manually packed in polyethylene bags by workers. So that there is no variation in weight, they use weight machines in this case. As every child is equal to a mother, every customer is equal to a factory. Then these packages are inserted into the vacuum machine to remove the air inside. This process helps to ensure the freshness and quality of the lobster claws during transportation. Once the air is removed, the vacuum-sealed packets are ready for distribution to customers, maintaining the product's integrity until it reaches its destination. Now, let's show how the living lobsters are packed in the factory. First, the workers throw the lobsters into the salt water. Immediately, the temperature of the lobsters is measured, in order to understand whether the lobsters are clean and alive. Next, these live lobsters are taken to the grading line where they are automatically separated according to size. After being separated, the lobsters are carefully inspected for any signs of damage or disease. Once deemed healthy, they are placed into specially designed containers that mimic their natural habitat. Lobsters are filled in containers with ice packs on them to kill the organisms inside the container and keep them fresh for a long time. These containers are then stacked and stored in a controlled environment until they are ready to be shipped to market. In 2021, Canada, UAE, the US, Ireland, and Denmark emerged as top exporters of the global lobster market. Canada's export value reached $536 million, followed by the UAE's $11.4 million. The US also contributed significantly, securing $289 million in export revenue. The UAE's growing presence in the market demonstrates its growing interest in meeting global lobster demand. Subscribe now to continue exploring the wonders of the culinary world. Thank you for joining us on this immersive journey of lobster processing in a factory. With every delicious bite, remember the dedication, expertise, and ethical practices that contribute to the rich flavors on your plate. Until our next adventure, stay curious and savor the delights of the sea.